This professionally equipped and operated business comes onto the market showing strong returns and is a consistently solid performer. In operation since 1996, this well-established business would suit an owner-operator husband and wife team or business partnership to take over the reins from the retiring owners. Specializing in powder coating and abrasive sandblasting of all metals, the business enjoys a second income stream from the sales of quality Australian-made fence panels, fencing hardware and more. The highly reputable business is a leading performer in Central Queensland. The business utilises modern technology and produces work of the highest quality, with procedures and systems in place to guarantee its continued success. With full training provided, no prior trade or skill set is required. All plant and equipment as well as a late model truck and forklift are included in the sale. Situated within a modern complex in a bustling industrial sector of Rockhampton, there is huge potential to expand the current business. For further information on this outstanding opportunity, please contact Wayne Perry from Finn Business Sales on 0408 667 634 or email wayne.perry@finnbusinesssales.com.au.